Hello friends, today we will discuss real effective exchange rate that is known as REER and nominal effective exchange rate that is known as NR. Important concepts in international trade and economics. Nominal effective exchange rate that is also known as NEER. It is the weighted average of a country's currency relative to a basket of other major currencies without adjusting for inflation differences. Its purpose is to provide a measure of relative strength of a currency against a selection of other currencies, often those of a country's major trading partners. Uses: NEER is used to assess the overall competitiveness of a country's currency in the global market. It helps in understanding how exchange rate movements affect a country's trade balance. Now we discuss real effective exchange rate that is known as REER. REER adjusts the NEER by considering the inflation rate differences between the home country and its trading partners. It provides a more accurate picture of the currency's values in terms of purchasing power. Its purpose is to reflect the real purchasing power of a currency in the international market, considering the price level differences. Use: REER is used to evaluate the true competitiveness of a country's goods and services in the global market. A higher REER indicates that a country's goods are relatively more expensive compared to those of trading partners, potentially leading to a decrease in exports. So, the key differences between them is adjustment for inflation. NEER does not account for inflation differences while REER does. Reflection of competitiveness. REER provides a better measure of a country's competitive position because it adjusts for price level changes. Impact on trade. NEER helps in understanding the currency strength, whereas REER provides insight into how competitive a country's products are in the international market. Its importance in international trade. Trade balance. Both NEER and REER influence countries' trade balance by affecting the price competitiveness of exports and imports. Policy making. Policymakers use these indices to make informed decisions regarding monetary and exchange rate policies. Investment decision. Investors and businesses use NEER and REER to assess the attractiveness of investing in a particular country.